Welcome to the Car2Go Car Share Orientation video. My name is Jeff Winter and I am the Transportation Coordinator for the City of Aspen Transportation Department, and I run the Car Share program.
Over the next 16 minutes, we will review important how-to and policy information.
Please take the time to watch this video in its entirety, as the information we will share is crucial to the operation of our program as well as your membership experience. You'll be expected to understand the material fully before driving a program vehicle.
To get started, please follow the member manual attached to your email.
Now, it is helpful to read the manual before the video orientation begins. So if you do want to read this right now and pause the video, feel more than welcome to do so, as I will not cover every item. I will cover the sections of the manual that tend to generate the most questions. Thank you for your time and attention today. We are going to start section 3 here of the manual, policies and procedures. Item 2 discusses carrying a valid driver's license. This is self-explanatory, but very important. Please make sure to always carry your driver's license with you while driving a program vehicle. Item 3, Car2Go keys. Each Car2Go member receives a lockbox key that is provided at the member orientation. This key provides access to all program vehicles. The key is the property of Car2Go and must be returned when you end your membership. Please don't lose this key. Key replacement fees will be charged according to the current fee schedule. Item 5. Car2Go members are required to practice safe driving, including but not limited to the bullets listed under item 5. Especially important, remember that seatbelts must be worn at all times, and texting while driving is against the law. Driving while impaired is also strictly prohibited. Section 4, payments and fees. Item 1, the monthly membership fee applies whether you use the vehicles or not. The monthly membership fee cannot be prorated. So if you don't want to be charged, please feel free to turn in your program lockbox key at the end of your membership. Item 2, usage fees. All members are responsible for payment of hourly, per mile, and other fees per the current fee schedule. Now, item 3, payments. Payment is made by your credit card on file, or if you made special arrangements with paying by check. I will bill your credit card monthly. And here is my example. I will not run your credit card for December's usage, shall we say, until the end of January. So again, how that works is you will receive an invoice the second week of January for your December usage charges, and then not till the end of January will I run your credit card. And it is the member's responsibility to notify the office if your on-file credit card has expired or been stolen. Item 4, late payments. Finance charges will accrue if credit card payment is declined or check is not submitted within 30 days of the invoice date. Item 5, automatic credit card charge. All members are required to provide a credit card number for their files. Car2Go will charge this card automatically in some cases as outlined in your manual, including accident deductible per fee schedule in the event of an accident. If insurance determines you are not at fault, we will reimburse accordingly. We will also run your credit card if you have an overdue balance, policy infraction, or usage charges exceeding the amount listed in the current membership manual. Section 5, reservations and returns. Items 1 and 2 cover reserving a vehicle. We're going to head back to the internet.
Booking vehicles tutorial will only involve the basics for making, modifying, canceling, extending, and returning a vehicle early. Member login. Please go to car2go.com and click on the member login button below the Car2Go logo on the right-hand side of the web page. Username and password will be displayed on the next screen. Your username is your ID number. Sarah Jane will be our example, and her ID number/username is 791.
And then enter your password.
Now click on the login button. Once logged in, you will only need to use the new booking link and the My Bookings link. Please note that all bookings, including changes to those bookings, are handled in 30-minute increments. The new booking screen loads automatically unless you have a booking. Sarah Jane has a booking for later today, so we need to click on the new booking link to book a vehicle. Please choose your desired pickup date and time and return by date and time. For Sarah Jane, let's choose 10:30 a.m. pickup and 11:30 a.m. return time. Click the Search All Cars circle. Then the Select Location From list should be Anywhere. Then click Search. You will see Sarah Jane's requested booking time in one color, blocked out for each vehicle that is available during that requested time. Another color is her bookings, and other areas blocked out in another color are unavailable times. Here we see that vehicle number 1 on the corner of Spring and Hopkins is available for the requested time from 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. We click on Book It on the right-hand side of the screen for vehicle number 1 on the corner of Spring and Hopkins to reserve it. The next screen will load up Sarah Jane's booking confirmation. Please make sure to check this screen for accuracy, and your confirmation email should have also been sent to your email on file. Please make sure to check your junk email and allow emails from this sender. On the screen, you will see pickup time, return time, duration, vehicle, vehicle location, and features.
Charges will be estimated since mileage has not been calculated.
Also on the screen, you will see options to modify this booking. If you want, you can change the date, times, and vehicle here. We will go over this more in the My Bookings tab later. Your notes can be where you enter job codes or anything you want, which is optional. Click on Save Changes if you made any changes to your booking. If you want to cancel the booking, please click on the Cancel Booking button. A pop-up box displays making sure you want to cancel the booking. Click OK. But we are not going to cancel this booking for tutorial purposes. All changes and cancellations will also receive an updated confirmation screen and email. Now, let's say Sarah Jane is currently in her reserved time and wants to extend her booking. If she clicks on My Bookings or is logging back into the system, her booking will appear on the first screen that loads up here. You can extend your booking by clicking on Add 30 minutes as many times as needed, as long as the vehicle is available. The system will let you know if it is not available or not allow you to book at the time it is unavailable. Now let's say you want to return the vehicle early. You can click on the I am done with this car button, and it will return the vehicle early to the next nearest half hour. Another option is click on your vehicle booking link and modify your booking on that screen. Now, let's say Sarah Jane wants to go in the system later to check, modify, or cancel her future bookings. This is where we will discuss the functionality of the My Bookings tab. Click on My Bookings, or if logging back into the system, your future and/or current bookings will display. Your bookings will display based on the dates requested. Click on the link for the vehicle you reserved that you want to adjust under the Booking section. Earlier in the day, Sarah Jane booked vehicle number 2 from 1 to 4 p.m., so we will click on that one and use it as our example. This will bring up a screen similar to your confirmation screen, where you can modify the booking date, time, and vehicle. Remember to click on the Save Changes button if you make any changes, and make sure to receive your updated confirmation screen and email. Also, this is where you can cancel the booking before it begins by clicking on the Cancel Booking button. A pop-up will display to make sure you want to cancel it. Then click OK. Now we are going to visit the mobile site for some booking basics. For your first time with your smartphone, go to car2go.com and click on Member Login. This will bring up the mobile booking interface. Login instructions are the same as the desktop site. Your current booking should display First, with the options based on future vehicle availability to extend by adding 30 minutes each time you click the Add 30 Minutes button. Or click on I'm done with this car, ending your booking to the next nearest half hour. Also, the mobile interface will show any future bookings you may have, as you can see here, for the next 30 days. You can click on one, as we will do here. You will be able to see more details about the booking, and if you scroll down to the bottom of the page on your smartphone, you will find the Modify Booking button. You can click on the button to modify the booking, and then click on the Save Changes button if you made any changes. Click on the Cancel button before the booking time has started to cancel the booking. To make a booking, click on the Menu button in the upper right-hand corner. Click on New Booking. Choose your dates and times. Let's say 8 p.m. pickup and 10 p.m. return time. And for vehicle, choose All Vehicles in the Vehicles drop-down menu, then click Search. You will see a list of vehicles based on the date and time you requested. Click on the Book It button for the vehicle you want, say number 7. A pop-up box will open making sure this is the vehicle you want. Click OK if it is correct to confirm the booking. You will receive a booking confirmation screen and email. On this same screen, you can scroll down to cancel or modify the booking. Please note, depending on your smartphone, buttons may be located in slightly different areas and colors may be different, but functionality should remain the same.
More questions? Don't worry about it. We'll practice making, changing, and extending reservations at the in-person orientation. Important note, always make sure that if you reserve the vehicle, you are the only one driving the vehicle. As this is very important for insurance and liability reasons, and you are the only one on the insurance policy. Item 3 covers returning a vehicle. Of course, please return the vehicle on time, park it in its designated parking space, and shut and lock the doors. The interior and the exterior of the vehicle are reasonably clean, and the fuel tank is above a quarter or more. Also, the trip ticket has been properly and completely recorded. Be sure that you have turned off the interior and exterior lights of the vehicle. If they are not turned off, it can result in battery drain. Item 4, reserved vehicle not available. First, check the lockbox to see if there's a note inside regarding the vehicle's current location. If not, the car may have been in an accident. You will need to go on the computer or phone, more than likely the phone, and return your reservation early and then book another vehicle. Item 5, early start of a reservation. Please remember to always be in the vehicle during your allotted reservation time. This is very important for insurance and liability reasons, but also avoids late fees and reservation fees. Item 6, late return of a vehicle. Late return will result in late fees and possible reimbursement of inconvenience members. Again, always make your reservations earlier and longer than you think you need them. It might cost a few dollars more, but it'll give you the peace of mind knowing that the car will be there when you go to get it and that you will be back on time when you return the vehicle. Item 7, parking space unavailable. If a vehicle is parked in a car-to-go space, please follow steps 1 through 4 and make sure you are parked in the next nearest legal space and leave a note in the lockbox with the vehicle key notifying the next member using the vehicle where the car is currently parked. Section 6, restrictions. And go back to the manual with you here. Please read item 1. Please take special note of the pet restrictions as well to avoid cleaning fees. Item 2, regarding driving and geographical restrictions, as they are very important. Regarding the program boundaries, please stay within these boundaries, as not following them can result in suspension, termination of your membership. We do offer member discounts for shuttle and car rental services outside our program boundaries, which we will discuss when we meet. Section 7, Responsibilities. Item 1, Refueling. The credit card is located inside the center console of the vehicle. You will take that credit card and you will slide it at the pump. When prompted, you will enter your 4-digit PIN number. Next, it will ask for the odometer reading, and you will enter in the odometer reading. After that, it'll ask you to select the fuel type. Select the fuel type of the vehicle, which you can find in a quick facts booklet. And then make sure you print off the receipt and put that back in the center console with the credit card. Now, the quick facts booklet you will receive at orientation, and that will have an itemized list of how to fuel a vehicle. Please never change your 4-digit PIN number. Item 2, vehicle cleaning. Please read and follow the information in this section to avoid cleaning fees per our current fee schedule. Item 3, inclement weather. Welcome to Aspen, especially in the wintertime. If you don't feel comfortable driving, please cancel your reservation before it begins. Also note in section 3 here, we can take the vehicles out of service at any time. If you have a reservation, we still will cancel it and notify you. We just want you and the vehicles to be safe. Also note, snow shoveling occurs on most business days when snow accumulation is over 2 inches. Shoveling cannot always occur, and the member is ultimately responsible for clearing snow and ice from the car and around the car before driving. The vehicle has snow shovel, de-icer spray, windshield washer fluid, and a brush and a scraper to help you dig out if you do end up using a vehicle during inclement weather. Item 4, overall states you, the member, are the only one that can drive the vehicle in your reservation time block. If you have an emergency or are unable to drive the vehicle, only then can somebody else drive the vehicle for you to get you safely where you need to go. Item 7, accidents and damage. Accident packs are located in each vehicle. Please follow all the steps, as this is very important for you and the insurance claim. This concludes the Car2Go car share orientation video. Remember, we did not cover every item in the manual, so please read the entire booklet before your orientation and bring questions with you. Car2Go does its best to keep its rates low and run an efficient program. Understanding and following the membership manual and the membership responsibilities helps the program run smoothly for you and other members. Thank you again for your time, and we look forward to meeting you soon.